4000X RGB, a clean start to a great build. Rapid Route Cable Management System, all your cables in a single channel, 25mm deep cable routing area. Includes Lighting Node Core RGB lighting controller, modern I/O including USB 3.1 Type-C tool, free tempered glass panel. 3SP RGB Elite fans for a clean finish and modern look. Large filtered intakes reduce dust and maintain airflow, including AirGuide fan technology equipped with anti-vortex vanes, enhanced cooling concentrated airflow. 6 into 120mm fans or 4 into 140mm fans. Multiple radiators up to 360mm in the front. Multiple radiators up to 280mm in the front. 2 into SSD trays included 4 mounting locations. Show off your storage, PSU shroud, mounting. Vertical PCIe mount optional configuration. Corsair 4000X RGB, a clean start to a great build.